Welcome to Design King, the channel where creativity meets marketing. In today's video, we'll explore an exciting topic: how to move your business into the metaverse in 2023. What is Metaverse? First, let's understand what the metaverse is all about. The metaverse is a virtual space where users can interact with a computer-generated environment, combining elements of virtual reality, augmented reality, and social networking. Moving your business into the metaverse opens up a world of possibilities. It allows you to engage with customers in unique and immersive ways, offering a seamless blend of digital experiences and real-world interactions. Benefits of the metaverse for businesses. Now let's explore the benefits of embracing the metaverse for your business. Benefit number 1: expanded reach. By entering the metaverse, you can extend your business's reach beyond geographical boundaries, connecting with a global audience. Benefit number 2: enhanced customer engagement. The metaverse offers interactive and personalized experiences, enabling you to captivate your customers in entirely new ways. Benefit number 3: innovative product showcasing. With the metaverse, you can create virtual showrooms, allowing customers to explore your products or services in a visually stunning and immersive environment. Now that you understand the potential, and now let's discuss how you can move your business into the metaverse in 2023. Step 1: define your metaverse strategy. Determine your goals, target audience, and the type of metaverse experience you want to create. Step 2: choose the right metaverse platforms. Research and select the metaverse platforms that align with your business objectives and provide the tools and features you need. Step 3: design and develop your metaverse presence. Collaborate with designers and developers to bring your virtual world to life, ensuring an engaging and seamless user experience. Step 4: launch and promote. Once your metaverse presence is ready, launch it and promote it through various channels, leveraging social media, influencers, and targeted marketing strategies. Moving your business into the metaverse is an opportunity to pioneer the future of customer engagement and experiences. By embracing this digital realm, you can expand your reach, captivate your customers, and unlock a whole new dimension of possibilities. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel,